Chapter 1. Capture and prepare your footage. Quick Demo converts any clip to a green screen in under a minute. Record or import the shot you want to convert. In OBS, set canvas 1920 by 1080, 30 fps, high bit rate recording. Light subject evenly. Add a backlight to separate them from background. Import clip into DaVinci Resolve and create a node for keying. Save a backup, pick a reference frame, and preview before edits. Chapter 2. Keying and Cleanup. Use Delta Keyer. Key color green, tolerance 0.15, softness 0.05, spill 0.25. Tighten the mat, choke 0.3, blur 0.6, and shrink edges slightly. If hair or motion leaks, roto mask frames and track with planar tracker. Match color, balance exposure, adjust midtones, and reduce green spill. Export with alpha for composites using ProRes 4444 or render flattened H.264. Save presets and watch the before and after to verify cleanup. Try now and subscribe.